Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo Y76 5G. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Over here, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on Vivo. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on Vivo. Then tap on all of those dots and choose Send. This way you will select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo. Just send and click on Got it. Over here on Vivo you need to choose No Thanks, click on Close this window, and as you can see now we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Vivo, choosing while using the app or only this time and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and connect our smartphones by choosing Receive. Now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!